What's up, y'all? We got a 2014 Chevy Corvette. What we did too, we replaced all the air suspension system to Airlift 3H with the height sensors on it. Y'all see this? Yeah, the customer did the custom Widebody on it with custom 3-piece wheels. And he got everything carbon fiber. Hood carbon fiber, spoiler carbon fiber, side skirts, wicker built, everything on it. Rear diffuser. See all that? She really wide though. She look good. Right now I can't show you the setup because customer is building a whole floor of forged carbon. So all the carbon fiber pieces y'all see right now, it's gonna be forged. Same thing with the Widebody. He's taking the Widebody off and doing the forged carbon Widebody kit on it. Y'all see? Man, she look good though. On air suspension Corvettes look mean. See the 2014 with only 9,000 miles on it. Damn. And also it's a Pro Charger on it too under the engine. She's fast. She might be for sale, he said. 65K. So y'all wanna buy it? 65K. So yeah, the Pro Charger on it. Maybe a second. Super mint conditions. Look at that. Yep. Look at that carbon fiber hood. And woo.